Hello dear traders, my name is Tim and these are the main trading ideas for current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with Euro-USD. The European currency holds position at 1.07. Investors are focusing on January inflation data in the US. The consumer price index on an annualized basis was 6.4% against 6.2% in December, and the base indicator was at a level of 5.6% versus the forecast of 5.5%. It should be noted that the decrease in inflation pressure in the economy is slow. Against this background, the US Federal Reserve officials are unlikely to abandon their tight monetary policy. In other words, in March and May, the interest rate hike will continue, after which the regulator will again evaluate the effectiveness of the measures taken and decide whether to tighten monetary policy further. Thus, the dollar will remain the market leader, as a result of which risky assets are waiting for new lows. Next, USD-Japanese yen. The USD-Japanese yen pair is declined today and is trading near 134. The yen is supported by news from Japan. According to the latest data from Japan's National Tourism Agency, the number of tourists visiting the country rose to almost 1.5 million on January. Thus, the opening of borders and the lifting of quarantine restrictions helped the growth of the tourist flow and significantly support the service sector. A positive factor for the yen is also the appointment of the head of the Bank of Japan, Ueda, who is a supporter of tight monetary policy. According to market participants, the demand for the yen will continue to grow, thanks to which the USD-Japanese yen pair will maintain downside potential below 132. And finally, AUD-USD. AUD-USD pair is consolidated at 0.69. The pressure on the Australian dollar came from the comments of the head of the Reserve Bank of Australia, Philip Lowe, in Parliament, who said that the goal of the regulators' increase in interest rate is not a recession in the economy, but the fight against high inflation, which is currently the most dangerous problem. The official also noted that interest rates have not yet reached their peak, and their increase will depend on the dynamics of price growth. On the side of the seller is also weak statistics on the labor market. According to data released today, the unemployment rate in Australia rose from 3.5% to 3.7% last month. Given the above, the decline in the AUD-USD pair may continue. So these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.